So, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back. This is once again Mohos Dennis, and we are moving on with the Runyankole language series. Today, I want to tell you some words that you will never hear people mentioning in public. These are some words which are considered to be a taboo. These words must always be avoided, most especially in public. Never use them in public except maybe when you are with a friend or with your peers or with your partner, but even then avoid them. They are considered obscene according to culture, and these include some parts of the body and some verbs relating actions done by these parts. Hence, to be on the safe side, learn them and avoid them at all times. Yes, you have to know them, but you avoid them. Just know them at heart. Number 1, Runyankole, we have enyo, that is the anus. So, in Runyankole, enyo is the anus. Then we have omoyo. It also means that anus. Now the Baganda call omoyo to mean the heart or the spirit. That's why some Banyankole don't like to call Holy Spirit Omoyorkwera. We prefer to call him Omwisorkwera. You get it? Because of this word. But me as a person, I don't refer to the anus as Omoyo, because I don't use that word. I always say Echuvunu to mean the buttock, because you cannot refer to the real part. It is obscene. Then we have another one, enza. That's the pubic hair. Then we have amazi. That is dung or feces. Now the Baganda say amazi. That is water. But here in Runyankole, if you say amazi, that is water. No, this is dung. Then another word is called emana. That's a vagina. Then we have another word, emboro. That's a penis. Then we have enkari. That is urine. Then we have omsuno. That is the clitoris. Then we have echimbera. That is mucus or ebihinzi. Then we have izinyo. That is the butt. And many they are called amazinyo. But the polite word is echubunu, meaning bottom. Then we have igosi. That's the testis. And if they are men, they are called amagos. Then we have enchugura. Is called diarrhea. Then we have echinyampo. That is passing out gas. That gas is called echinyampo. If there are many, they are called the vinyampo. Now we have some verbs that mean to do something. We have okuchugura. We have okuchugura, kuchugura. That is to have diarrhea. Then we have kutanaka. that is to vomit. Then we have kuchuga, that is to fuck or to play sex. You can't go to a girl and you say that ninyenda kuchuga, I want to fuck you. No. It is obscene. We always use nienda kushwera. We always use kushwera. It means all those, but this word is not always spoken. It is spoken in darkness. Then kunya, that is to defecate. Kunyara, to urinate. Then we have kuhinisa, that is to have an erection, which in Baganda they say kuyima. Then we have kunyampa. It is called the kinyampo, kunyampa, a kinyampo, to fart or to pass out gas. So this was an important lesson, and I can leave you today because I wanted you to know these words so that you don't, when you hear people talk about them, you don't be tempted to say. You hear people saying kachuge nyoko, that fuck your mother. Me, I've never said that word. So that word is obscene. So if you hear people say it and even you go and say it, hey, you'll have problems. So know the bad words and don't use them. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Almeni was Mhos Dennis, and very soon I'll be broadcasting this lesson from Budapest or Buddha University. So you're gonna be enjoying me teaching Runyankole when I'm in Central Europe, and I'm gonna begin teaching you Hungarian language. No.